Good afternoon, my name is Brian Downing and I'm going to show you some very cool stuff that you can use or do in R and or Python as fast as you can in MATLAB. I'm going to show you is a file source that I downloaded from the internet from MATLAB File Central. All this is free. I mean, outside of MATLAB, of course, being a fee-based piece of software, a very expensive one. But what I want to show you is I'm going to drill in or get into my new girlfriend, MATLAB. Now in MATLAB, here's all the source code for this particular what we call real-time viewer. Okay, so essentially what this does, it's just going to do something really stupid. It's just going to basically, it's from an employee over at MathWorks, and it's just going to allow you to build a GUI and watch a particular symbol and the pricing of it in real time. Now, you could use Bloomberg as a data source. You could also use Yahoo Finance. Now, of course, I'm going to do the lazy approach called Yahoo. Okay. Now, apparently, you can add in your own adapters very easily. It gives you instructions how to do that. Well documented. Hooray for that. Now, of course, with MATLAB, I can use interactive brokers as well as my good friends over at IQFeed. Yeah. So let's get this little puppy started. Okay, so here we are in the source code. Here's all the mscript files and all that. Now, I'm not going to run this within MATLAB. It's really slow. And I'll really chew apart MATLAB this session really badly and just hang the system and stuff. That's why again, you do not do live trading in MATLAB. Okay, hopefully you can tell that by the tone of my voice. People ask me that all the time. Say, yeah, of course you can do it. Now, this is MATLAB as I said. Okay, now if you come under here, there's two versions that you can download. Okay, and you'll never see this in its wildest dreams in MATLAB, or sorry, in R Python. Of course, it's free. This is why you pay for stuff so you can expedite your development. Here we have what we call a MATLAB application or app installer. Okay, if you come under here into the ribbon and come under here, you'll see I've installed it. This real-time stock viewer. Okay, so I'm going to load it up. I'm not going to run it, but enables me, as I said, to use Bloomberg, Yahoo, or some random number generator to default real-time pricing, and then I can, have my period set as well. So I'm not going to run it within MATLAB. It's really slow, but you can build it as a standalone application for your Windows. Very cool. So let me take you to that. Okay. This is where we're working from here, and it's going to create a project file. This is using the Builder, I think it's Builder NE toolbox you need to do this. And then you go and I'll create a subfolder called RT Viewer, and then you have a distribution folder, and you have an exe program, which is really a MATLAB runtime executable of this program this MATLAB script I just showed you. Okay, let's take a look what's under source. So under source is not much, but let's run it. So this is what's going to pop up, but let's do it for kicks. It's going to run, and there we go. Just say make sure there's only one instance of it. Okay, so we got one instance. I'm going to just run it as a default. IBM, Yahoo, get rid of this random thing. Period of probably 2 seconds, maybe, and run, watch. Okay, this is very cool. Okay, well, let's pop into MATLAB. So here is the MATLAB Builder NE standalone package. So when you click on a new project here, this is the power of this stuff. You will not find this type of functionality in R, Math, or Python, or any other scripting language. This is the power of it. This is what I chose. Windows Standalone application. You get console application, C, C++. This is all the coder stuff. Excel add-in, not .NET assembly. Oh, and there's a Java package. Creates a Java jar files. So that's your options depending upon your builder toolbox options that you have. Let's see how our little application's doing here. Doesn't look like it's doing too good. But remember what I said about the single threaded, but this seems to run fine once it's running. Let me just close this and let's launch her again. There we go. It should run no problem. You gotta realize my operating system of Windows got so many processes running at the same time. Okay, let's run it. Okay, go for it. And what it will do, it will run the so here we are in the IBM little symbol here, running the RT viewer, and it's working, checking I think every 2 seconds on the pricing, as you can see here, and it's all in real time, I believe. Let's just give it a stop here and let's run it again. But the point of this video is to just show for my QuantLab members, or sorry, Quant Elite members, is you can get access to all the source code stuff, all the MATLAB generated stuff via, if it's a separate application, a jar file, .NET assembly. So I'll be giving that as part of my membership. So you don't have to worry about not having MATLAB, because I'll be able to give you all that stuff for you, and being able to give you the DLL, dynamic link library, to call it and use it in your own code, or even from the stuff that I put out with part of the courses. So it's very cool, I find, but hopefully that will help you out.